Hello and thank you for joining us. We have a very special car arriving today all the way from Canada. This is a one-of-a-kind vehicle that was finished by the Guild of Automobile Restorers of Ontario, Canada. Its build was featured on the show Restoration Garage. This extremely unique Bugatti is hand-custom built of the 1935 Paris show car for Bugatti named the Aerolithe. This conceptual design was conceived by Ettore Bugatti and reportedly built out of electron, or known as today as modern-day magnesium. A wow car of the ages, this is a rare and special Bugatti, was to be groundbreaking proportion and cater to the Art Deco design of the cars of the 30s. The original Bugatti Aerolithe was soon surrounded in mystery and disappeared shortly after its creation. Fast forwarding many years, the earliest Type 57 chassis, number 57104, was found by David Granger of the Guild, and using only 15 of the era photographs, a new life for this one and only Bugatti Aerolithe began. The vehicle was built in the exact method and expertly scaled to the original design, using only and all authentic Bugatti components. The chassis 57104 was hand-built in superior fashion. Surviving today, chassis 57104 is complemented by this amazing and stunning hand-built magnesium body. Chassis 57104 predates the rare and highly sought-after Bugatti Aerolithe, which appeared in 1936, of which only 3 known examples exist. The Aerolithe is believed to be engineering learning curve that spawned the aluminum body Aerolithes. Both models are virtually impossible to weld, thus both retain this magnificent and painstakingly careful construction of body rivets on its exoskeleton. The provocative and radical design of Bugatti still holds true today, with Bugatti always being on the forefront of eye-catching high-performance and elegant automobiles. Residing in the hands of great collectors like Ralph Lauren, Peter Mullen, the Bugatti Aerolantiques are quite special, with the Aerolithe being the inception of them all. The vehicle is proudly displayed here at Precious Metals Fine Motor Cars of San Diego and can be viewed here in San Diego. The car is possibly available for the discerning collector. Upon its West Coast stay for the summer of 2019, we have plans to tour the vehicle at a variety of local Southern California events, with its first outing at the Rodeo Drive Concourse for Father's Day 2019. The vehicle will be attending Monterey. It's a display car for the kickoff party at the McCall Motor Works Revival, and many more. Please contact us at www.pmautos.com or for schedule of events to entertain or invite one of our local shows. Please follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter to join us for the fun and exciting events and activities we have planned for this car. This will be the only one in the States for a few months, and be attending the Atlanta Concourse and possibly returning home, or yours. We're always available to discuss and welcome any questions or interest in this vehicle. Thank you for sharing this arrival moment. Please like, comment, and share. We hope you enjoyed this video. All right, go ahead and bring her around back, and we'll... Yep, right, and then right down the alley. You can either shut it down or come on inside, either or. Yeah, go ahead, post it. We'll okay, yeah. That's good. All right.
Oh, it's got a light out?
Yeah.
Should I start the live video again?
No.
All good.
Just keep an eye on him here coming in. Yeah, he's gonna back in. well, there we go, boys. The Aerolithe has arrived. It's in our shop. Check back with us later on. We're going to get this thing parked, all right? Take care. Thank you.